Welcome back to my channel. This is Jomo to Vlog once again. Join me in today's video because we're going back to Manila now. Today is our last day here in Club Paradise, Coron, Palawan. And of course, I would like to take this opportunity to shoot another aerial footage of this beautiful island because this is just once in a lifetime chance. So everybody's ready to go back to Manila, back to reality. And from here, we're going to take the boat ride going to the Fisher Village. And after that, we're going to take a van going to the airport. Alright? Alright guys, this is our last day here at Club Paradise.
Yung careless whisper video mo.
Ayaw, di ba?
J-Loy. Ayun. Alright guys, this is our last day here at Club Paradise, Timacaya Island, Barangay San Jose, Coron, Palawan. We're loading our luggages. The name of the boat is J-Loy 3. Joke lang to, walang ano to, walang SD card. Uy, a lot of ano, dilis oh. Ah. Dilis oh.
Ay!
Nag-high tide kasi kagabi, naiwan sila dito. Pag
Pinapatuloy yan.
ah.
Yan yung breakfast.
Ah, okay. Oo nga pala, kasama sa breakfast kahapon.
Ng dilis sana sa menu.
May dilis nga pala sila sa menu. Oo nga. Different sizes of dilis. Nalapad namin yung drone. Nakita niyo sa dilan.
Yung River Beach.
Kaya lang ano, hindi ganito yung hangin eh. Mas malakas kaya tinatangay pa rin siya. Mas maganda kung ganito lang. Nung tayo kahapon. Ang lakas kahapon. Kinabahan ako, dinala siya doon sa gitna. Sabi ko eh, halika balik-balik. Alright guys. Okay lang ba yan? Okay lang ako. Thank you, thank you.
Marami na kung para mag-phone. Ako pwede mag-drive? Ako mag-drive yun. Pag hindi na kami sakay.
Wala siyang pakialam.
Dahil lang kain.
Halos naman. Ayun, dyan kayo naglakad. Dyan pa. Oo, napunta ni tinignan niya gano'n. Isa dadaan sa fishing village. Oras na ba? Oo, kasi maaga palotay din. Alang fishing?
minutes later.
Alright guys, finally we're approaching the Fishers village and the boat is about to dock. Okay. The crew has already dropped the anchor and you can see the seashore. You can see the van are waiting for us. Alright guys, since I was here in front of the boat, so I'll be the first to get up from this boat. Okay, and you can see my colleagues, my co-employees. Actually, we're one company and they're getting off now from the boat, of course. So mauna na po tayo. Ako na yung unang sasakay dito sa harapan ng van. Okay? Kasi dati So ganito lang po ang biyahe niyo kuya, for ano lang.
Ah, yes.
Wala kayong biyahe na pasahero?
Wala.
Ano? Puro sa mga tourists lang.
Nahanap tayo.
Ganito sa lugar.
Ilan tayo? Ikaw, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 6 na. Si Rose, si Kat, si Danny, Rose, ikaw, John, si Sir John,
Gusto mo itiklop ko to kuya? Huwag na. Pwede itiklop yan. Okay.
Huwag ito club niya, kailangan niya yan eh. Ang mga
Oo, wala.
ito ko sa tayo. Makakastas na siya. Kung ako yan, umiiyak na ako. Yung kotse ko yan. Daan na muna.
Yung sa Innova natin kasi pag pinindot mo sumasara, umitiklop yung...
Kaya lang kasi, kasama ko siya eh.
Siyempre pagka lagpas, saka mo na ulit ipupunta. Alright guys, we're already here now at Francisco V. Reyes Airport, Coron, Palawan. Okay, ayun po yung max.
Good afternoon, Tango Micron Flight Business Sector 52. Flight Business Sector 52 for Manila. We do have our activity. Please be assured that
Alright guys, we did our check-in here at the Francisco Reyes Airport. Okay. So, I will just show you the airplane outside. You can see a lot of passengers here bound to Manila and some other part of the country. Right here right now at Francisco Reyes Airport. Alright, see a lot of people here. Okay, so guys, our flight is 4:30 this afternoon and we're expected to arrive in Manila about after an hour, so 5:30, something like that. And this is the island souvenirs. We're not going inside. Sige na nga, pasok na nga tayo. Hello kuya, shout out. This is Jomoto Vlog and this is the souvenir center here at the Coron. Come and buy some souvenirs here. And shout out kay Ate Delma. Alright, so at saka Nenelin and Charmin. Oh, ang gaganda, Delma, Nenelin, Charmin. Alright guys, once again, this is Jomoto Vlog and we're bound to Manila this afternoon.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we're boarding now. Flight 2966. Okay naman, nakatulog kami dun sa upuan.
Saan?
Sa upuan
All in or talaga. Nakatulog daw po kayo sa...
Alright, ito si Ross. Cool na cool. Dani. Cool na cool. May kasama kami foreigner sa likod pa lang, foreigner.
Pulang-pula pa.
Palang-pala ba?
Bastos talaga.
Palang-pala.
Uy!
Ano? 20. Afternoon.
Oo, si Danny 9. Si Kat yung 8 yata. 7, 6.
The seat number is 20B. Sa likod na doon. Sa likod na naman. Mukhang nadurog yun.
Yung ano?
Sir, tayo na lang tabi dyan. Hindi, 20 ako eh. 20. Ayun.
Take your here? Oh, there's that thing.
Alright guys, I would like to shout out some of my friends. Aizen HK, shout out to you my dear friend. Horseshoe TV, shout out to you my friend. Simply My Loves, shout out to you my friend. Shankai Loyola, shout out to you my friend. Yolanda Loyola, shout out to you my friend. Marilyn Paris, shout out to you and to your kids. Set for Adventures, shout out to you my friend. MJ Suzuki, shout out to you my friend. Bernice Moments, shout out to you my dear friend. Angel Babe Star, shout out to you my dear friend. Jen Frago, shout out to you my friend. Wandering Bicolana, shout out to you my friend. Abner the Rider, shout out to you idol. Junito Marinado, shout out to you my friend. Francie Adventure, shout out to you idol Francie. And the last but not the least, Lina Park Art, shout out to you my dear friend. Alright, that's the end of my shoutouts. Here I go again, my friends, my supporters, my subscribers, asking you another favor to please subscribe to their channels, support their channels because they have the good one. I promise you that. Alright guys, back to you. Our travel time is more than 1 hour already. It's almost 2 hours because of the air traffic. So the airplane is moving around and round towards Metro Manila up to Antipolo City, and this time we can see the dark view down there. Yeah, you can see the EDSA and South Super Highway. Alright, so we're almost there. The plane is about to land now.
A few inches later.
Alright, we're getting off the plane and transferring to the bus going to Terminal 2. So guys, thank you for coming with us, and I guess that's all for tonight. And if you're new to my channel and you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you're always updated to all of my video uploads. That's all, and good night everyone.